pallets come in with engines on them from other Caterpillar facilities and generator units from a OEM supplier because the basic principle of what we do here is electrical generation. Once they are taking off the wooden shipping platform, then the engine and generator are married together in the assembly process, but they're put on a permanent structured metal stand. So the wooden shipping platforms are no longer viable to be used again. I read a story in the local paper about the City of Griffin going to establish and build a recycling center.
Jimmy Hastings had called me here from the Caterpillar facility and wanted me to come down and look at their pallet wood waste material for recycling. So we met, and once we got to talking about how we could do this, we were already doing a program with tree material at our landfill with Del Walker. And because his equipment is mobile, we could actually come here and we could set up and store material and then grind it here on site and ship it out.
About once a quarter, we'll actually process the pallets that Caterpillar has. And this process, it generally takes about 2 weeks to process what we've got here. And the end results is about 20 to 30 tractor trailer of fuel wood going to an end user.
Our main purpose is to generate steam to dry the paper in our paper mill. This system, burning the fuels we burn now, is putting less nitrogen into the atmosphere than when we were burning natural gas.
So we started at that time producing a waste-to-energy product, and it made sense, kept it out of the landfills, and that was our goal.
But we can get it to the end user in most cases within an hour or two away from the City of Griffin. So the best thing is to have good outlets for the material that you want to recycle or dispose of.
Probably 10% of the volume of wood is shipping platforms that have metal threaded bolts or lag bolts, similar to what I have here.
This machine has a magnet at the end of the conveyor belt, and it does pull a portion of the metal out.
What we are doing is partner with our local municipality. They have a recycling center available to them. So we are in the process of developing disassembly processes so that we can recover this metal material and potentially return it to the vendor, the OEM, for reuse, which would save us some dollars. The second thing is that we would actually be able to recover 100% of our wood waste and run it through the chipper at that point.
We have started hauling the cardboard here recently for Caterpillar to our recycling facility. Caterpillar puts it in a compactor, and we pick up the compactor box and take it to our recycling center. And all that material is processed and shipped to Pratt Industries.
We also contribute to that aspect of it, adding our cardboard into the recycled content that they utilize for their products.
Our machines can handle anything. I mean, it can handle a cross tie, and as far as anything you throw in it, that machine can handle it.
It's a C27 series engine, and it's been a very efficient machine. There's actually a fuel monitoring system on this engine that was an application of the CAT dealership.
Well, of course, downtime, that's number one, and which we have very little downtime with a CAT engine. We've always bought CAT engines. CAT, it has a history of durability and strength beyond any other engines that we found. And I feel like the CAT is it's at the front of the admissions and the new standard that's required.
The support industry behind the scenes, so to speak, has developed to a high degree so that you can go out and find these people and build these resources into your process.
We look at this as a revenue source for us. The material you pick up is also a product that somebody will pay you for. It's not the same old, pick it up, throw it in the landfill type of business anymore, We're looking at it as a resource management instead of a waste management business.
The City of Griffin has been a strong supporter and a promoter of recycling. We feel like that we're definitely in the right business, and we're not just the right business, we're doing the right thing.